Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between the Nothing Phone 2 device versus iQOO Neo 7 Pro device. The iQOO Neo 7 Pro and the Nothing Phone 2, they both have the same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. And this is going to be really interesting to compare between these both phones with the same processor, how the temperatures will be there between these both devices, and how will be the overall benchmark scores, what you can actually expect between this both smartphones. That's what I'm going to compare between these two devices. And one more quick information, while performing this testing, I'm not using any kind of monster mode in this iQOO Neo 7 Pro. As you can see, I'm not using anything. So that's something which I thought of just letting you guys know before I actually start the test. And now we'll try to see the overall difference regarding the benchmarks, what's happening between these both phones. Before that, I'm going to check the temperatures of my room temperature with the 26 degrees Celsius and my both phones temperatures 28 and 27.6. So we'll try to see, friends, both phones with the same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So which phone will be able to perform what score, and how will be the temperatures maintaining between these both devices. So let's get started. After getting close to 46% of the benchmark test, let me check the temperatures in the Nothing Phone 2. It's about 33.8 and 35 degrees in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So as you can see, friends, the Nothing Phone 2 seems to be having slightly low temperatures. I think maybe 1 degree less than the iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So that's not a huge difference, but just a little bit less between these both phones. But again, I'll be back after some time. So finally, friends, we got the benchmark test result between these both phones. Is a quick comparison regarding the benchmark scores. So Nothing Phone 2 versus iQOO Neo 7 Pro. So both phones do have the same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and this is the benchmark difference you can actually expect. Even though both phones have the same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, the benchmarks in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro is slightly higher than the Nothing Phone 2. So 11,72,000 versus 12,66,066. So overall, there's a difference of close to kind of 1 lakh difference is there between these both devices. So even though with the same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and you can see the difference in which category it is there. The CPU segment little bit, and even the GPU also little bit, the difference is there between these both phones. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison regarding the both phones comparison, and you can see how much the battery is dropped and now what is the high temperatures, 36 degrees Celsius versus 35 degrees Celsius. So 1.5 degree and 1 degree higher in the iQOO Neo 7 Pro when comparing with the Nothing Phone 2. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next day of more updates, and bye.